Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is Mikir here, and on this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to delete AliExpress account permanently. So without any further ado, let's start. On your device, open the AliExpress app. Here you can also follow the same procedure if you are on your desktop through any web browser. Once you're logged into your account, here on your device, at bottom right corner of your screen you will see your account icon. Tap on there, you will land on your account page. Now here again at the upper right corner of your screen you will see settings icon, so tap on that, you will land on your settings page. Now again tap on profile from the very top of the list, and from here again tap on delete account. Once it is loaded you will see all this information, so read all the information carefully. Once you read them all, then tap on delete my account, and now you have to enter the verification code that is sent to your Gmail address. So head back to your Gmail, from there look for the code, from here copy your code and again head back to AliExpress, and in there enter your code. Once you're done with that, tap on verify, then you will land on this interface. In here read all the information that says once you click delete, all your data saved on your AliExpress account will also get deleted. It will not be possible to recover your personal data. So with that on your mind, tap on delete account and your account will get deleted. So this is how you can simply delete your AliExpress account permanently. I hope this tutorial helped you, and do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get further updates from our channel. That's all for today. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.